Kevin, das ist einfach so dumm. Das ist das Blödste, was ich seit langem gesehen habe.
Let's get it! Let's get it! Let's get it! No!
Whose fucking cat is this? Get that fucking cat off this fucking train right fucking now! Yeah. Dilly dilly. Oh! Hey! Whoa! Man!
Do you know how to get to the other side of the building?
Yeah, if you just walk through.
Yeah, don't tell me what to do though. Don't tell me what to do. But do you know how to get to the other side of the building? Yeah, don't tell me what to do though. Can you?
What I would do is I would walk.
Yeah, don't tell me what to do though. You feel what I'm saying?
Not really.
Like I don't want to be told what to do. So you go.
Straight ahead to the right.
Don't, like I said, don't tell me what to. I don't want to be told what to do.
I'm just trying to give you directions on how to.
I don't want to be told though.
I don't really know how to explain to it without telling you how to get there.
What if you wanted to go to heaven, but God said,
Let me try to. Hello, guys. Today, my mom is going to make pizza rolls. Come to my house if you want to play the box. It's going to be really great.
Mother love me long time, long time. Sucky, sucky, fucky, fucky, one ton, Hong Kong, Hong Kong. One ton, Hong Kong, one ton. One time, one time, one ton. Love me long time, feet of my long slong. Go back to Hong Kong, I'll send you back to Hong Kong. Para one ton, love me. Mother love me long time, long time. Sucky, sucky, fucky, fucky, one ton, Hong Kong, Hong Kong.
No, that's your third helping, young man. It's making you fat and soft and tender.
My friends and I love this dance called the Nene, and so whenever we hit it, it gets pretty crazy.
Sonic, do you like getting peed on?
Yes, I do.
Do I have good news for you?
Woo! Whoa, Shadow, you're dehydrated, buddy.
A little bit.
What have you been drinking?
All you guys hating on me because I have an Android, there's nothing wrong with Android. We have the best quality and our cameras look the best. So you say otherwise and you have an Apple iPhone, well, you're just wrong because we have all the HD stop bullying me and stop saying that my Android is blurry because you're...
Trent, you want some ice cream? You a little bit.
Y'all, I'm feeling good today, so I'ma sing for y'all. You make it look like it's magic, oh yeah, 'cause I see nobody but you.
I said freeze!
Just getting a drink.
Alright, had your drink. Now, I want you to...
I know. Freeze.
Bro, look at my fucking cat!
Delicious Pepsi. Thank you.
Hey guys, here we go, Roblox GoPro.
Here's the thing.
Fun. Listen,
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
Mob so icy, wonder why they kill me. I'm just mining in water, I just fell in a hole. Now I'm crying every server I go on. Yeah, it's inspiring. Minecraft.
Now Candy Tails is for boys too. Check out those candy dreads. Wow!
Baby jamming with me Candy Tails. Yeah, him and mom.
He's pure evil. Besides, nobody's getting hurt.
I think Marco likes you! I like them big! I like them chunky! I like them big!
I'm not the only one.
Hello. She wants to come in, Tessa.
Kimmy, go.
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen.
So it would seem.
Charlie, are you there?